This is a 1936 Chevrolet Standard Coupe and is one of 3,183 produced that year with this very unique rear cargo bed. While it looks like a total custom one-off, this package was available from the factory. It's often referred to as a Model FC, standing for Foreman Coupe, and offered customers the benefits of passenger car economy along with commercial capabilities. This example is painted red with matching running boards along with color-keyed artillery-style wheels wrapped with wide white wall tires. It's also equipped with a side-mounted spare tire which would have been relocated here during the truck conversion from its normal position at the rear of the vehicle. Under the hood is an inline six-cylinder engine paired to a 3-speed manual transmission. The Classic is selling here at Mecum 2024, with more information being found by looking up its L55 lot number.